Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the channel where we explore smart, stylish, and functional home upgrades. Today, we're taking your laundry room organization to the next level with a piece that combines natural design, craftsmanship, and practicality, the Avana 100% natural solid wood washer-dryer countertop in black pine finish. If your laundry setup feels cluttered or unfinished, this solid wood countertop instantly transforms it into a polished, functional workspace. Measuring 54 inches by 27.5 inches, it fits perfectly over most standard washer and dryer pairs, turning unused space into a sleek and stable surface for folding, sorting, or organizing your laundry essentials. Crafted from 100% natural pine wood, the Avana countertop is not just about looks, it's built for long-lasting durability. The natural wood texture adds warmth and character to your laundry area, while the black pine finish offers a sophisticated contrast that complements both modern and rustic interiors. Each board is precision finished, creating a smooth, seamless look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. Functionality is where this product really shines. It features raised safety edges, preventing detergent bottles, baskets, or folded clothes from slipping off, a thoughtful design detail that sets it apart from other countertops. Whether you're folding clothes, storing supplies, or using it as a tabletop surface for decor, this feature keeps everything secure and organized. The solid wood build ensures stability even with heavy loads, and because it's a freestanding, removable design, there's no need for drilling or permanent installation. You can lift it off easily whenever you need to move your appliances or clean underneath. Another major plus is its eco-friendly craftsmanship. Avana uses sustainably sourced wood and non-toxic finishes, giving you a safe, environmentally conscious upgrade for your home. This isn't just a countertop, it's a laundry room transformation. It takes an ordinary washer-dryer combo and turns it into a coordinated, functional workstation that feels custom-built. So, if you're looking for a quick way to add both style and utility to your laundry setup, the Avana solid wood washer-dryer countertop is definitely worth it. Don't forget to buy it now on Amazon, and hit subscribe for more home and lifestyle gadget reviews right here on Gadgetverse.